Nag-charge mo po.
Ako nag-tablet lagi.
Nag-charge ka?
Nag-tablet ba?
Hindi ko. Hindi ko alam na na.
May paladakot ko ng tuwan. Tawag ba?
Hindi, ako na iliso para kita tatanan.
Ako na lang yan. Kailangan
Pila ka percent?
pa. Tanda. Extension.
Ah, extension.
Kuha na kayo na.
Kuha.
Wala ko yung isang sa dali.
15.
Nag-charge mo yun.
Dahil laso. Para nilikulis na lang.
Grabe na June. Nakapag-class ka?
Dahil yung ko. Dahil lang yung magtayo na. Ito na sa kayo yung tayo lang.
Oo, Jud.
Sa oras kay 14 seconds. Kami yung ako. Okay, so sige, start na. Wala na kayo na-introduce. Okay, ako mga kulihan. Same like how to do it, start. So how to do is we're going to close our mouth, close eyes. Then let's go into our national form. And exhale over our toes. Right? We're going to do that for 5 seconds. Friends, and I'll please. Okay, so put your hands up on your knees. We're going to pass this up. If you want to sit up, you want to sit up, you pass this. Okay, so close your eyes. Shut your back shoulders away from the ears. And close your eyes and start to bring awareness to your breath. Notice your breathing. And feel your breathing. This time, set whatever your intentions is practice. And try to let go of worries or any thoughts about your past, your present, future, or anything that no longer serve. Just focus your intentions, your purpose, why you're trying to practice. And just be yourself and present. Keep on trigger. Go back to your normal beauty and bring your hands to your heart box together. And big your eyes open. drop the belly to your cow, look forward. Then exhale, hand on belly, hand close to your chest. Okay, so go down, same here, drop the belly to your cow. Then exhale, hand on belly to your hand close. Okay, last inhale, drop the belly to your cow. Then exhale, round and back to your pelvis. Okay, now back to your spine. Okay, from the knees down, push your legs and bring your hips down to the mat. Then extend your legs forward, face together. Then hands to your side. Okay, from here, circle your arms and inhale. Then exhale, go down to your foot and down. Then flex and close or my straight and arms. So we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, inhale slowly. Come on, breathe. Slowly, inhale. You can touch your feet. Okay, then bring your hands behind your fingers out. Okay, waist up close, so gaze at shoulder, then actually you over your chest. Then again, look up or you look to the ceiling for 5 reps. So we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back to your spine. Okay, from here, bend right knee. Left elbow on the side of your right thigh, right hand at the left. Okay, inhale, left leg, twist to your right side. Exhale. Okay, go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, inhale, come forward. Then, lagi lang po pag makita, go forward. Release the fingers, grab your right foot. Then stand. Okay, let's try to straighten your legs and chest forward. Okay, go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, bend your right leg, right up over your left thigh, left hand at the back. Okay, then bring your right foot down first, right arms up, inhale, and release up. Modified side plank. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your hips down and center. Okay, then look forward. Again, interlace your fingers. Rotate your shoulder, open your chest, flex and pose. Go down to your pelvis. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up and release your hands down behind you. This time, naka-inhale fingers. Bend your knees. Then inhale, knees up and chest up to all reverse with your forwards. Okay, try to squeeze some belly. Squeeze your glutes, have your belly in. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your hips down. Okay, another side, straighten your right leg. Then right elbow to your left thigh, left hand at the back, inhale, twist to your left side, exhale. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk forward a second. Release your fingers, grab your left foot. Inhale, stand, then chest forward, exhale. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bend your left leg, left ankle to your right thigh, hands behind, right? Bring your left foot down first, extend your arms, finish your knees up to your modified side. We go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release down. Look forward and then hands behind to release your fingers. Okay, from your rotate, open your chest, flex your right toes in here, exhale for your forward fold, hand down. Okay, try to straighten your hands and hands away from your back. We go for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Again, hands behind down. Fingers in, bend your right knee, other side. Then inhale, knees up and chest up to all reverse figure 4. Then again, hold your belly and squeeze your glutes. Okay, hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, exhale, bring your hips down. Okay, this time, bring yourselves on the feet together. Then your butterfly pose. Then release your fingers, just grab your glutes. Then move your legs up and down, releasing your fingers up and in. Back center, in front of your inhale, chest forward. Exhale, roll down to your shoulder. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Again, bring your hands after our reverse pivotal. Okay, hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Then hips down aside, wash your legs. Again, with hands front of your top of your mat down after your pivotal. Okay, if I'm ready for top, slowly walk your hands forward and bring your chest down to the mat so you have your legs. Then just keep placing your chest on the mat or open your shoulder. Knees and hips in line together. We hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from that pose, slide your chest forward and bring your belly down and hips down as a taxi toes, toes out, inhale, straighten the arms and chest up. You try to squeeze your glutes. You try to push your belly down sa mat para arch deeper. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release, bring your chest down sa mat. Okay, then from here, right hand beside sa inyong chest. Take your elbow in, extend your left arm to your left side. Lang yung pitak mo. Okay, bend the right knee. Then from here, cross your right leg over your left. Open your right inner thigh, knee squinting. Open it down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from that pose, right hand inner side of your right leg. Then cross right knee close. Yeah, heel. Then pag-grab na extend. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release. Hips down, belly down sa mat. Other side, extend up to the right. Left hand besides any left eye and chest. Bend your left knee, inhale and exhale. Push your left leg over your right leg and over your left side. Again, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you want to select your toes with your fist finger. Inhale and try to straighten your legs. Again, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Then hips down, belly down. Okay, from that pose, bring your hands inside your chest. Give your elbow in. Elbows straighten up. Look forward. Inhale, straighten your arms and chest up to your upward dog. Stay for 5 breaths to your upward dog. You try to rotate your shoulder. Rotate ang shoulder pa doon sa likod para ma-open ang chest. Okay, hold. 5, 4, and look forward. 3, 2, 1. Okay, from that pose. Pwede na itak ang toes. Pwede na itak o pwede na sa hips up. Itak ang toes, hips up, pwede na. Okay, then follow your feet, one at a time. Press your feet side on side. To release the tensions in our back, in our hips. Try to release your hamstrings. Okay, then back to center. Squeeze again for the hips. Okay, then look to the back. Then open your feet as wide as you have. Open your feet as wide as you have. Lepo ka ma-open, lepo movement. Okay, then chest, keep pushing your chest down, go to the back, inhale. Then as you exhale, rock your right ankle, push your left hand. Cross your right ankle sa inyo left. Then, chest forward and look to your right side. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Other side, okay, inhale. Then exhale, rock your left ankle, push your right hand. Chest forward and look to your left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Again, bring your feet together. Back to your downward dog. Then look forward. Slowly walk your feet forward. Walk your feet forward. Palos in front of that. Walk your feet forward. Then come up to your mouth forward. Hold hands to your shin. Then exhale to your forward down. Okay, this time, we're going to go elbows and to your body side to side. You can microgram release one at a time. From at the head, bending towards the back, the knees, or just let your head hang. And stay for 3, 2, 1. One, then down the center. Release your hands down first. Inhale, slowly come up. You're standing tall. Circle your arms up. Then bring your palms together, mountain pose. Then exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Okay, then hands to your side and inhale, circle. Okay, from here, interlace your fingers, palms facing up, and then try to stand, and then you come here. Then as you inhale, heels up. Handa mo ng belly, squeeze ang heels para makabalance. So we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, heels down. Then exhale, roll down to the floor, head down. Inhale to your halfway, hands to your chin. Then exhale, hands down. Then step back, go to your flat. Okay, stay for 3 breaths to your flat. Lean forward the right, hang ang belly, squeeze ang glutes. Stay for 3 breaths. Lean forward the right now. Lean forward, then try to move your back, you're on the knee. Okay, for 3. Forward to 2, 1. Then again, bring your knees down, chest down to the left, hands beside your chest, here for elbow in. Then inhale, straighten your arms, chest up to your upward. Then again, back your toes, hips up, back side upward. Again, go forward, walk your feet towards the front, come up to your half forward, fold hands to your shin. Exhale to your full head down. Inhale, rise up, standing, circle your arms up. Again, palms together, exhale, hands to your heart. Okay, hands to your side, inhale, circle. Okay, this time, encourage your fingers, exhale with your index finger, then squeeze your glutes. Then exhale, push your hips forward, chest forward, lean back or standing back, then 4, 3 breaths. Okay, 3. Try to extend your arms to the back, open your chest. 2, 1, inhale, lengthen, exhale to your full head down. Inhale to your halfway, hands to your shin. And again, hands down, step back, go to your flat. Lean forward, again, bring your knees down, chest down to the mat, keep your elbow in. Inhale to your upward, straighten your arms. Then tap your toes, hips up, back to your downward dog. Okay, stay for 3, 2, 1. Again, look forward, walk your feet towards the front, come up to your half forward fold. Exhale to your fold, head down. Inhale, rise up, standing, circle your arms up, palms together. Then exhale, bring your hands to your side, to your Savasana. 2 rounds, inhale, circle your arms up, fingers together, palms together. Exhale to your full head down. Inhale to your halfway, chest forward. Then exhale, hands down, again step back, go to your lap. Lean forward, knees down, chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward, straighten your arms. And again, back with those hips up, back to your downward dog. Okay, stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, jump forward, sit forward to your half forward fold. Exhale, fold head down. Inhale, rise up, standing, circle your arms up. Palms together. Exhale, bring your hands to your side, to your Savasana. Okay, one more round. Inhale, circle, palms together. Exhale, fold, head down. Inhale, halfway, chest forward. Then again, exhale, hands down, step back, go to your flat. Again, lean forward, knees down, chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward, straighten your arms, chest up. Then back your toes, hips up, back to your downward dog. We stay for 5 breaths to your downward dog. Down to your back, your body will be or 0 seconds. Again, look forward, walk your feet towards the front, come up to your half forward. Then exhale to your full head down. Inhale, rise up, standing, circle your arms up. Again, palms together. Then exhale, bring your hands to your side, to your Savasana. Okay, then from here, mag-chair, taas of feet together, bend your knees to your chair. Again, palms together, fingers together, hand your belly in, elbow down, palms together. Okay, then look forward. Then try to look down, you can still see your toes. If not, huwag na may skin sa likod. Then exhale to your fold head down. Inhale, halfway, chest forward. Then exhale, hands down again, step back, over your lap. Lean forward, chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward, straighten your arms. Inhale your toes, hips up, back to your downward dog. Okay, then look forward, right foot forward. Bend the right knee, this time naka-knees down, straighten the left leg. Inhale, rise up to your warrior four. Again, palms together, fingers together, palms together. Okay, then try to find your alignment, try to experience your shoulders and your hips. Okay, stay free, extend the arms and fingers, one leg in couple, 2, 1. Then exhale, hands down. Again, right foot to the back, down to your flat. Then chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward dog or cobra. Then exhale to your downward dog, hips up. Other side, this side, left foot forward. Inhale, rise up to your warrior one. Straighten your left, right leg. Heels down, bend your left knee. Palms together. Inhale. Try to extend it. Then exhale, bring your hands down. Again, left foot to the back, back to your flat. Lean forward, chest down to your chaturanga dandasana. Inhale to your upward. Then straighten your arms, tap your those hips up, back to your downward dog. Okay, stay there for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, look forward, roll your feet towards the front, come up to your half forward fold. Exhale to your fold, head down, look at your knees, front of the head, feet towards the mat. Inhale, rise up chair, bend your knees, again, extend your arms in line with ears, palms together, look forward. Then inhale, straighten your legs. Then that should be straightened. Slowly come up, straighten your legs, and bring your hands to your side to your Samasthiti pose. Okay, 4 more rounds. Again, inhale to your chair, palms together. 1 more, 1 breath. Exhale to your fold, head down. Inhale to your halfway chest forward. Exhale, hands down, again, slip back or jump back to your flat. Then lean forward, chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward, straighten your arms, chest up. Then hips up, back to your top downward dog. Again, right foot forward, inhale, rise up, warrior one. Again, palms together, bring your fingers together. Exhale, hands down. Again, right foot to the back to your flat. Then lean forward, chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale, straighten your arms, chest up. Then hips up, back to your downward dog. Other side, left foot forward. Inhale, rise up, warrior one. Bend your left knee, straighten your right leg. Then exhale, hands down again, left foot to the back flat. Then chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward, chest up. Then tap your nose, hips up, back to your downward. Okay, stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then look forward, walk forward, jump forward to your half forward fold. Exhale to your fold, head down. Inhale, rise up to your chair, bend your knees, extend your arms up. Hands in line with ears, palms together. Then inhale, straighten your legs. Then bring your hands to your side to your Samasthiti pose. Okay, 3 more rounds. Again, inhale to your chair, again, palms together, bend your knees, have your bend knee. Then exhale to your fold, head down, forward. Inhale, halfway, chest forward, look forward. Then exhale, hands down again, step back or jump back to your flat. Lean forward, you can bring your knees down or chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward, straighten your arms. Then tap your toes, hips up, back to your downward. Then again, right foot forward, inhale, rise up, warrior one. Extend your arms up, palms together, fingers together, inhale. Then exhale, hands down again, right foot to the back to your flat. Lean forward, chest down, you can bring your knees or chest down to the mat. Inhale to your upward or cobra. Then tap your toes, hips up, back to your downward. Other side, left foot forward, rise up, inhale, warrior one. 1 more, 1 breath, please here. Exhale, hands down again, left foot to the mat. Then knees down or chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward. Then exhale to your downward dog, hips up. Okay, stay for 5, 4, right over, right over, 3, 2, 1. Again, jump forward or step forward. forward to your half forward fold. Exhale to your fold head down. Inhale, rise up chair, bend your knees, extend your arms up, incline with ears, palms together. Inhale, straighten your legs. Exhale, bring your hands down to your Samasthiti. Okay, last na lang yun after ano. Kuhaan na. Kapoy na. Kima? Yan. Kapoy na. Ikaw pa, hindi na nakaimas. Ikaw pa. Okay, so bend your hands, extend your arms. Palms together, kapon. Masyado rin siya nag-aala. Fingers. Fingers, wala siya nag-open. One siya. Okay, then exhale to your fold head down. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway, chest forward. Then exhale, hands down, step back or down back to your back. Inhale, forward, chest down to your chest. Inhale, to your upward, straighten your arms. Touch your hips up, back to your downward. Right foot forward, inhale, rise up, right one, arms up. Arms together. Exhale, hands down, right foot to the back, flat. Chest down to your chaturanga. Inhale for your upward. Exhale to your downward hips up. Other side, left foot forward. Inhale, rise up, warrior one. Then exhale, hands down. Again, left foot to the mat, flat. Chest down to your chest. Inhale to your upward. Then exhale to your downward hips up. Okay, steady for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, look forward. You can jump forward or sit forward to your half forward fold. Jump forward in the front. Or walk your feet forward and up. Then go front. Then go down to your fold. Then slowly come out to your chair. Arms together, bend your knees. Then straighten your legs. Exhale, hands to your side to your Samasthiti. Okay, so from here, you open your feet. Standing moves, balik din sa top sa mat. Okay, you open sitting as wide as the mat. Exhale. Then hands to your hips. Okay, from here, lean forward. Then you grab the knee close and your knees together. Okay, inhale, chest forward, lengthen forward. Exhale, and fold head down. Okay, then up to the back. Round the head and your feet towards the mat. Shoulders away from the ears. So we hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then go forward, chest forward. Inhale, slowly down up. Then again, bring your hands down. Bring your hands to your knees. Okay, from here, right foot to the left. Bring your left foot, straight, right foot up. Okay, then open your arms to your triangle. Okay, from here, grab your right feet close with your fixed finger and extend your arms up and left arms. Then chest forward and then your fingers together and you open the fingers. So we hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Open up the arms. Balik sa triangle. Other side, right toes in the side. Left toes out. Walk to the front. The bottom of the big toes and your finger, right arms up. Triangle sa left side. We hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Open up the arms. Okay, from here, left toes in, right toes out. Go to the back. Then revolve triangle pose. So left hand down. Revolve to siya. So ang left hand to down. Outer side at the right foot. Extend across the right arms. Okay, hold for 5 minutes. And try to straighten the knees. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Back to your triangle pose. Right toes in the side, left toes out. Same sa tikas, revolve. Right hand down, outer side of your, or pinky side of your left foot. Extend up the left arms. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, inhale, slowly come up, balik sa triangle. Okay, the right foot forward, and hands to your side to your Samasthiti. Okay, then hands to your hips. Again, right foot sa to the side. Mas wider naman sa triangle. Then left toes out, in the side, right toes out. Okay, so ibalik mo sa right knee, open the arms. the arms overhead in line with ears. You can look forward or gaze to your left fingers. Again, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, okay? Then straighten your right leg, right loose in, left loose out. Bend up sa left, the other side. Left hand down, other side of your left foot. Extend up the right arms to the front in line with you. Extend your one hand. Extend your arms to the front. Okay, hold for 5. Bend. I-bend sa left knee. I-bend sa left knee. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, open up the arms, straighten up the left na legs, left goes in, and left goes in, right goes out, massage ball, then up the right knee, up from here, and lift up with your heart, outer side sa inyong right na foot, extend up the right arms to the back, in line with the ears, extend over, sa likod. Okay, hold, 5, 4, bend the right knee, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up, open up the arms, straighten up the right leg. Right goes in the side, left goes out, bend up the left knee, revolve triangle, side angle pose. Right hand down, outer side of your left foot. Extend up the sweep, arms to the front, in line with here. So we hold for 5, let's bend your left knee. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, inhale, slowly come. Okay, from that pose, Maro, right foot forward your side, and hands to your side, to your stomach. Then you can shake your legs. Tapos, as paano kayo mas balik? Yan, kung saan mo tayo binuot na stomach kayo, hindi. Kung bilis na rin. Oo, di ba? Balas ka. At ako, mas pasunod na kayo, mamulog ko, yung pila yung lupong. Sige. Ako yan, parang sa mga na kayo, naka-open na lang po, ayun na lang, yan. Ano na. So, dapat ito ako, parang sa mata, sa isang ka-open naman, so, pagkakang legs, pag-hold na ito kung press sa relax, so hands sa hips. Open it from here, lean forward the side, and break your hands back, and bring it sa inyong feet. Ang rest, in line sa shoulder. Okay, now forward, straighten your arms, and exhale, bring it forward. Then outside it. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, press forward. Again, bring your hands to your hips, then bottom to side. Open it from here, open your arms, inhale. Exhale, bring your hands in line, interlace your fingers, rotate, straighten your arms, hands away from your back, and go down with your forward. Okay, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up all the way up. Then again, open the side. Okay, from here, hands to your hips. Lean forward. Okay, this time, grab your ankles with your face finger. Then fold. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lengthen. Again, hands to your hips and back to your standing pose. Okay, from here, right foot forward, the front and the back. Feet together, the hands to your side, to your side. Okay, from that pose, balance kita. So, grab your right leg, go sa inyong finger. Okay, try to extend. Okay, from here, hold 5 breaths. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale forward. Open your legs to your right side. And out sa left side. Okay, hold 5, 4. Mas touch ang may kaya ninyo. 3, 2, 1. And then back to center. Okay, from here, hold cross up. Then, come up. Lumatan ka na. Hands to your hips. Extend your right hands up front. Return and close. 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa once. Sige, isa pa. Sige, naman sa one. So, set aside. Kung mas kaya dito siya yung struggle, mas medyo light siya. Okay, dito akin na po, support na kita kanina. Correct. So, may 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then go forward. Open up sa legs. Safety hako, mas kaya siya dito siya. Kung struggle sa atong mga straight. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stand aside. 4 goes up. Then go forward. Go forward and enhance your wrist. Isa, extend the legs. Say, ito eh. Wait, okay, hold tight. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, please. Okay, sa paa. Okay. Di ba isa? Di ko na ito, pagod.
Hindi ka ko.
Kaya kasi maganda pa na makakuha siya. Sabi siya rin sa buwan sa June.
Okay lang, nagubusog ko.
Okay, so next na pagmumuan, standing na lupos, half lupos. So, ang heels, forma. One then is grab, actually grab is yes in right hand. Pero hindi mo grab, hindi mo gamit ang strap. Or gamit lang. Hindi mo grab. Hindi mo siya. Ayun, sila on. Pabuli siya sa taas, huwag mo na kasuway.
Tagas ko lang.
Oo.
Ito nga. Mag-uwi. Wow.
Ako dito, sabi mo ikuha na ba? Ako lang tulawin. Sabi mo gawin. Ito yung cup na yun. May magamit ako glass. Kaya yung glass ay kukulas sa ako. Kasi hindi mag-glass ang mga sa akin.
Saan yung formal teacher?
Bahay na imo, kung hinapit sa daan, kung bahay na ang ako, kung hinapit sa ako yung iba. Hinapit na. Bahay na imo sa iyo, diba? Dubli. Okay lang. Ako right sa kami sa likod. Okay na ba? Whoops. Siya, forma. Kasi, showing na ako bayo sa likod. So, fold ka. Ang panikaan, dapat ang imong kamot, naka-plan sa mata mo, ang toes of fingers in line mo na siya. Pero kung hindi makabot, pwede yung galis. O pwede na sa galis. Sige, try. Dali. Sige po. Hindi ko sa hindi lang. Relax. Silver. Tanda. Fingers facing forward. Okay. Oops. Okay, then fold here. Okay, then hold 5. Sige, so na. 4. Go. 3, 2, 1. Then, left and side, chest forward. It's in. Slowly come up. Release. Okay, other side na side. Same lang. Grab. Wala na, alam. Actually, pwede rin na siya. Nagkanin mo ba? Maabot ang kamot sa likod. Iganda ang sila. Okay, then feet together na set para sa mat. Saka reverse na mas tita. Kapag ikaw yung ating forma.
Wala po.
Wow. Kung hindi ka kayo nanin, sakit naman si Soros. Kung hindi ka kayo nanin, pwede rin siya, dahil nag-acrylos na lang. Okay, so sukot na sa back, right leg, so right foot sa likod, toes in, right toes out, at sa likod. Dapat maka-square ko na inyong hips, then from here, lean forward, fold sa inyong hips, chest forward, and fold. Then tanaw lang sa inyong big toes para hindi round ang likod. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then come up. Ayaw sa'yo release, right toes in, left toes out, at nasa tubangan. Tanaw ang shoulder, dapat naka-square ang shoulder of hips. Wala siya na buwan. Okay, then paano ang pose? Lean forward, fold sa inyong hips, tanaw sa tatubangan, then sa fold. Then base sa inyong big toes, as pose lang para din i-ground nito. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then slowly come up. Right foot forward, feet together, release ang shake lang ang kamot sa katulad ng reverse. Okay, so last na ito vinyasa, hands to side. Inhale, circle your arms up, palms together. Then exhale, bring your hands down to the mat. Dapat nakaplan na ang sa mat, kung saan heels in line together, in line for forma. Pilipin siya. Then head down. Pwede nila pa ba yung knees? Okay, then ito yung halfway. Halfway, sa stop, galing siya isa. Chest forward na. Okay, then head down the side. Step back. Balik sa back. Then, lean forward. Put chest down. Inhale tayo upward. Then, tapak ang toes. Balik sa left. Okay, from here, right foot forward. Heels down, bend the right knee. Rise up to your warrior knee. Okay, then hold 5 breaths. Heels down. Okay, then again, try to 5. Bend down. Bend again. Okay, hold. Extend the arms for a minute. Okay, go. Press move. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, straight is right leg. Right toes in, left toes out. Anak sa likod. Warrior 1 sa ika side. Ayan ang sa left. Again, try to follow ang leg. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, open the arms. Warrior 2. Then, pinapun sa left knee. Hug your belly in. Down down. Engage ang inyong arms. Ang inyong mga bicep. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten sila. Set the hapon. Left toes in. Right toes out. Warrior toes other side. Right side. Again, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your hands down sa mat. Okay, this time, tatakin yung left na toes. Hold lang sa right leg sa center. Then, buhak ta. Gamay, careful lang dito ng diretso. Careful lang ha, mas diretso sa likod.
Saan?
Habra ang buhak. Ano ba? Bulong so.
Gamay kay.
Sige. Kudaot. Okay na lang. Okay na lang. Simet na lang. Then after bali na sa chaturanga. Then chaturanga na side. Lean forward naman. Na maligyan ang ikong rest sa ikong shoulder. Kung naligyan na gani sa kakabulaw. Pag malaw niya, tamak na sa ika. Kitaka sa toes. Hips up. Balik sa lumbar. Okay, then jump forward. Tapos ang pag-jump forward, bend ang knees, dapat ang iyong thigh, closer sa belly, ang tagang nose. Gamitan kita strength sa iyong kamot. Then from here, palawin. Okay, then from here, come up to your chair. Chair pose, palms together. Hips down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from here, bring your hands down sa mat. Mga pro naman nyo, na-chairman na sa banner lang mo siya ng pro. Careful na sa pro.
Karen. Nice. Sakto? Nasa buto din.
Kaya mo na.
Sige, sige na. Kulit ang lutan. Kulit ang lutan. Isa, isa. Alright.
Oh, di ba? Ilaw sa different forehead. Yung balance nito, balance sa kanina.
Forward eh.
Ito.
Yan ang daw. Yan ang daw.
Ah, sige na, parang
Para ipumanak.
Okay. Ano, sarap. Kanina, sarap. Picture sa dito.
Ay!
Okay, Rama.
Okay, sige ka na. Careful ha! Dito forward. Nahilig isa.
Ito.
Sige, balik ka mo.
Ay! Sinamnin mo. Balik! Gusto mo ni. Ang anak ko. Sinamnin mo sa Mr.
Sige ko.
Gigi.
Saan mo na siya sa sarili kami? Ano? May kami na.
Sila lang sa akin. Ako.
Go! Gumamit! Wow! Wow! Nice like
Go. Giving you. Give. Tapos na.
Hanggang. Ang pag-hold na ito.
Ah! Sure ko malagpos. Sa?
Berapa na?
Naarasin. Wow! Okay na na. Kamay din.
Anak, ako anak.
Si ikaw. Ikaw sa diri.
Ubak.
Ikaw sa diri.
Walang para nagwara ka.
Kasi marang balong tao na ba? Achieve atong tulo. Mga pangabagi.
Dili ko sa baba. I-open yung fan. Open yun. Ang sa pagkakasa. Sige. Dapat ang sip ko, isulong dito sa may pundong-pun. Isulong siya. Ikuan siya. Yan ang isulong yun. Pamatilin ka siya. Spread ang fingers sa amin. Isulong siya. Then, lean forward. Inahinay. Lean forward. Inahinay. Iisa sa katiit. Isa sa katiit. Isa. Move forward and in forward. Inahinay ko sa katiit. Sige. Sige, isa sa katiit. Isa. Isa ha, marabulang tao. Last. Masa tayo. Kasi ka na. Grabe. Kasi guwapo. Pagkalat na ako.
Nabi usa. Masih mabalin. Go.
Facing ay our word. Oh. Sige, sige. Go to the isa yung galing mo ay. Paano lang lahat? Ang imong suwang may patong may buwak. Suwang. Suwang.
Bakawawi na.
Ako ba yun?
Paita, yun ko ano. Endorser.
Backward. Ipilit ka na ipitin. Ang imong kapag forward. Forward. Diba nakailangan ang tanong? Anak. Ang imong tilayo, sige mo forward. Anak siya. Pag nakailangan na, huwag pa na yung kapag. Then, lean forward.
Kaya, Miss Iko, picture natin ka, Miss Lauren.
Suwang ko na.
Ito mo ulit.
Sige. Suwang. Tanap suwang. Anak. Bigyan, bilala.
Puro ba yun?
Okay na di ako. Sige. Ah.
Tama. Ilit lang. Ikot lang.
Nawas. Smart kayo? Ano na lang, mag-listen ka na, mag-listen na lang ka. Katawin na niya siya forma, anak. Lumabas sa kadaan, so utang ka niyo mong ilan.
Pedro.
Bibi Pro.
Saan to? Yeah.
Utangin mo na eh.
Ana siya.
Oh, hindi, ang kuwan. Ang kanin.
O, ana mo siya, ana.
Ang kanin tao, kanin tuhoy, butang sa ang ato mga
Gumayat, kubriyo, di mo na choice.
Sa
Gamay siya. Oh, ikaw lang kaya ako nag-share kasi ko siya gusto. Ang inyong kapatid, maana ko lang rin.
Kami po si Tish.
Ihalin ko ng dali.
Siya.
Sige, turn out.
Ana.
Hindi mo saan po sa kuwan.
The forward.
Anak.
Ako nang di masabot dere.
Dili. Minus 10.
Minus 10 points.
Sige. Dahil may point ang toast ni Mama. Para 60 na tao.
Kaya na dili pa ako ang ato ang card.
Ha? Ito ba po dito? Ana.
Finger kailangan may isang po.
Taas siguro. Pili ko, mana ka.
Saan? Dito ay lagi. Teacher, nandun kay ko porma.
Ay, isa mo lang po. Ay, isa mo lang. Ang narinig. Yan, ay yung suwang. Ay, isa mo lang yung suwang.
Minus 10.
Hindi, basta masaktan din na
Murag
siya.
pa ikaw dyan akong tiin. Murag kulang ako siko. Hindi, extend. Ang masapal sa... Kagana ko magsik.
I-open mo siya, di ba? Mura kayo, hindi lang ikaw sa ilan yung mga straight yung kamu. Kita ko, di ba? Wala ka ni Simo, di ba? Ano siya, sulit siya tangangan. I-pilit mo na siya, pilit. Okay na naman, i-open ko yun. Straight yung kamu. Okay, pag-marami. As isa na lang kamunti mo, tama lang siya, kung sa ka-open na yung inisip mo, dapat bilay na lupa. Dan kapag nag-pro ka, para na siya yung so, i-open yung kamot lumas, i-open ko sa para na siya yung so lupa. Ground at ito, inilit isa-isa. Yung mga balance ka, inilit sa ka-isa. Mas kuwan siya, mas gasa kung open kayo pa. Mura, ano lang side ba? Ano lang side ba? Ano kayo gusto ba? Gusto ko pa, ano sa ito siya i-open. So, makapagusok din siya. Gusto na
Naglakas-lawas. Ganan yun ko sa katemporman yung teacher ba?
Ako.
Tumigong, tubi-ubi.
Open siya.
Baby fats mo na.
Short
sugat jud.
Okay, sige. Sa pansan. Try ko sa mo. Try ko sa.
Ikaw dapat ang baby. Ako ang baby.
Iwan, ayaw. Maprong ka, ayaw. Iwan ka kung ako. Anak ka rin balance. Ayaw, buwanan. Ulitin mo sa kanya. Kurang ka kayo. Hinahintay na ko sa usan ko. Dalas ako sa. Kung makuha niyo ang balance, hinahintay sa kausa.
Ha? Wala pa, wala pa.
Hindi ka makabalance sa bawang. Baka na ka na. Kaya na ka rin.
Ilong.
O, yan na siya. Pwede sa ito, ang akong pro na ito, high pro. Nakatawin yan, ako kailangan ko siya sa mga arms. Isasama na ka. Kailangan ko siya sa wow.
Mister.
Wala.
Wow. Karen.
Kailangan siya o kanyang kuhan.
Nakuha. Gatimpang. Ora.
Wala, natin niya na.
Pinaratoon. 1 second. Go, go, Miss Karen! Wow! Mas high! Nagulot ni magpaput. Ouch! Maayo na si Gustavo. Kita mi si Mom Spin. Sige na, mag-anniversary na lang. Ang katulog kay Miss Teacher Rain. Totoo na ang detail. Ayaw lang kay madugay ta. Huwag na.
Okay, sa ako lang kung ikalat ng mga after ay makuha na natin ng gawin. Okay, na sa ta. Sa oras ka na.
Wala kay klase sunod.
Wala, wala may
Wala.
Okay, sumali ka sa tibota. Magpipiling na sa ta. Manamit na sa mga arm lang ko. So, right foot forward. Okay, lower down and see one. Knee. Left knee, left hand down, right hand side, right knee. Try to open. Open, see, hips down. Okay, hold 5 seconds. Open for 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, hands down. In from here, knees back. From the straight, knee flex. Knees up, leg down, knees. Then from Ani, fold. Sakit din sa hamstring, pero nice stretch. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then look forward. Then up to right knee, face down the side. Then, cross the right and left. What's it right and left? Ang right hand round sa right. Okay. Then try to bring your heels closer sa inyong glutes para ma-stretch upwards. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then release. Okay, taas sa left na toes, knees up, then hips sa inyong right na knees. Iskandasan na. Okay, hands down, hands apart. Ang right elbow is yan. Okay, go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, face down, down. Okay, then grab your right ankle sa inyong left na hand. This is right arms. Side na sa left side. Okay, ang hindi ma-touch ang inyong kapot. Dahil na yung brown nipple. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, inhale slowly, come up and again. Bring your hands down sa mat. Hands. Yan, ang sa lower down. Gawat ang sarili. Keep your pose sa kanya. Okay, and pwede na naman ang relax here. Kaya mas ma-open ang ating buwan. Pwede na sa leg, and chest open. Kaya kapag relax na, mas dito. Stretch. Oh. Pwede itong yung para mas taas niya. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, then slowly come up. Pag barbie na sa taas, pag i-bend sa left hand knee, bend na po din sa inyong left elbow. Then, yan po. Kaya hindi po sila.
Ang sa format ng
Okay, kung daw ka na. Isa mas ito pa na lang. Left, right, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Okay, so kung ano na pose, mag-counter task, extend sa left na sa uban. So, sa your side, flex ang pose. Okay, lean your arms up. Lean forward. Hello? Gawas naman po. Okay, then here slowly come up. So, mag-counter yung puntahan na right hand sa likod. This left arm, stay while playing pose, stays on the side. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, knees down. Okay, other side na sa tayo, bend sa left knee. Hands down, extend sa right knee down. Other side, attack your toes, right knee down. And right hand down. Ang left naman na hand sa inyong left knee, so you can open your left hand, open your left side, and knees down. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, hands down, again, it's back na sa straight sitting, left knee. Pag na-straight na, ganito naman, reflex, then go down to your floor. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale, slowly come up, then ako si left knee, mahal kurma. Then you bend the right knee, grab your right ankle with your left hand. And then this down sa kanan. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, hands down. Then after those knees up, and switch your body to your left side, twist to your right hand, twist to your left knees. So nasa sa left side. Then, alis apa. Left elbow inner side sa inyong left na tayo, hands to your right. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, hands down, over your space. Iwagan po sa left ankle sa inyong right na hand, extend sa left na arms, and then side bend. Right side. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, okay, release. Okay, then from that pose, lower down, see left knee, face forward. Patang picture, hanap or back. Okay, then, huwag ka lang gamit yung flaps, yan lang ang mas mas stress sa atong glutes. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 4. Okay, then inhale, slowly come up. From that pose, extend your right knee to the front. Stand up for sit-up. Then sa left knee, so sa inner side sa right side. Right and extend, right. Sige. Okay. Inhale, arms up. Then hold the center. Okay, hold 5, 4. Okay, inhale, slowly come up. Okay, from here, other side, left and at the back, while your arms up and release up, we will really want to this. Okay, hold 5, 4. Ang left naman. Left, hindi right.
Ha?
Left kita mo sa likod left.
Alin?
Still sa right.
Nya. Saan to?
Hips up. Nakalisa ka na. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. Okay, sila po sila sa tubangan. Kapoy na.
Huwag naghimi. Hihimi mo balig.
Okay, so on the side, mga hold with the katawan. So inhale, circle your arms up. Okay, from here, lean forward, hold down the knee. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Okay, from here, bring your hands behind you. Ang fingers naka-in, point and close, then hips up. Reverse flap. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, forward. Okay, from here, bend your knees and drop your knee close. Then stand. Stay for 5 minutes. Then you try to straight at legs. Chest forward. Kung hindi ba, try to open ang legs. Try to open. Kasi makabalance mo kung naka-open ang legs. Okay na na. Okay, hold 5. Mga bata.
Mga tuwang.
Sige, mamili sa likod. Kuhaan sila. Ang picnic ka rin, no? Para makakuhan ka. Hindi ka moral. Moral ka. Maanat. Kasi kuha ito yung chest forward ka. Lean forward ka ba yung chest forward? Pinaka-inside mo, i-push forward para mabigang yung shoulder. Nasa siya i-balance mo. Ayun. So, okay. Sige, tawagin na muna.
Nabula. May mabula na di siya.
Almost lang ka. Okay, so hands in sa akin. Time. Isa sige. Then step. Sige, then press up. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Then chase the legs and after that, okay, so cross your right leg over your left, arm your right knee, twist to right side. Right side twist. Right. Sa pang feet, go twist to right. Hand. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then go forward, straighten to right leg. Other side, push your left leg over your right. Arm and push your right hand, twist to your left side. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go forward, straighten the legs. Kick that aside. Kailangan mo mag-breathe, kapoy na. Natungulin po sa anak, bridge pose. Sige, start sa bridge siya. Bend the knees, bend your knees to your bridge. Feet as wide as inyong hips. Kalagwan ng hips, start bridge siya. Hindi pa kang bridge. Then, i-try over-bridge ang inyong finger, ang inyong heel sa inyong finger gusto ka. Paano ka ako na sige. Okay, then inhale first, then exhale, knees ang chest ang your bridge pose. Then if you want to open your shoulder, pwede rin siya i-release ang finger sa likod. Rotate po ang shoulder. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Okay, next, nakawheel na. So, bring your hands beside your ears. Ang fingers naka-in. Okay, inhale first. Then exhale, knees up and chest up. O pwede buka ang ground sa head sa sangat. I-adjust ang kamot and chest up. Straighten si arms. Sa kanan. Hindi mo lang sa kanan. Okay. Pwede na madam. Madam? Okay. Ay, ganun. Pwede ka?
Ikaw Maureen.
Ang tingin na wala ko rin is wala ko rin na actually wala ka po. Ako. Baka talagang tubig. Tingnan mo talaga. Okay, so sige, release your chest na. Release your chest and head up. Okay, forward your knees. Isang ulo, okay, on 3, 2, 1, and down. Then just have your knees, roll lang ang body side to side and massage ako. Okay, back to center, just bend your knees and feet down. Bend the knees, feet down. Open your arms, feet like that. Okay, inhale first. Exhale, lower down your knees to your right side. Then look to your opposite side or left side. Lower down your knees to your right and look to your left side. And we go sideways. Okay, inhale back to center, knees up. Other side na side. Exhale, lower down your knees to your left side and look to your right side. Okay, back to center. Okay, this time, straighten as the legs, feet as far as I can. Then you can bring your hands to the side of your back. You can extend your arms overhead. Close your eyes. Rest in your final pose to your Shavasana. both arms open. And give yourself an outstretch. Slowly roll to your right side. And stay for moments. When you're ready, slowly come up to your seat. Okay, and then close your eyes so we will do a quick meditation before we end our practice. So we bring hands up on your knees. Then close your eyes and start to bring your awareness to your breath. Notice your breathing and your releasing. Okay, slowly inhale, 3 for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale to your mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hold your breath. And exhale to your mouth. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Okay, last round. Inhale. Hold. And keep releasing. Okay, and then hold on to your normal breathing. And bring your hands to your heart, palms together. And close your eyes and bow your head. Let's end our practice today with our full of gratitude. Gratitude to our family, to our leader, for allowing us to practice today. And thank you for sharing your beautiful energy with me this morning as we bow down between each other. Namaste. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Teacher Ray.
Sige ko pa din sa picture ako ng Bible.
Ito.
Nice. Masada. Wala. Next, akin, tawa, deliver sa